Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to make an investment online. So when you first log in, you will be on the Dashboard tab, and what we want to do is look for the Quick Links box right here, and then click Make an Investment. From here, you want to select Alternative Assets. This can be used for both private equity investments as well as like unsecured notes, convertible notes, and then we want to click on Next. From here, you want to specify which account you want to make the investment with. So we're going to go ahead and click on that one, click on New Purchase. Then from here, is it a private lending? So this is unsecured note, secured note, convertible notes. Private equity is just private stock, joint ventures, LLCs, etc. Now, before you want to click on Next, you actually want to click right here in this box, just stating that you agree to the eSign Act disclosure and consent. Then click Next. This little box is just asking if you want to create a new investment request or continue the already existing draft that we've started before. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Continue with New Request. From here, private equity asset type. So you just want to specify what type of investment it is. We're just going to go ahead and click on LLC, type in the name of the investment, additional information. You don't have to enter anything in here. Any field that does not have the red star next to it, you do not have to fill out. So you can leave that field blank. Investment manager email. So what we need to do is we need to send the investment manager or advisor the agreement so that they can sign. That way the agreement can be fully executed. So this is just asking for that information. We're just going to go ahead and type in the transaction amount. And when you enter the transaction amount, this is just the funds that we're sending right now. So I know some investments will have an initial contribution of $10,000 and then later on another $10,000. So don't enter $20,000 in that scenario, just enter the $10,000, just the first investment amount. Here is where you can select and specify the number of shares or units. If you're not purchasing a specific number of shares or units, you do not have to check that. So we're just going to leave that blank. Then this is the information for the investment. And we're just going to go ahead and do this. From here, we can either send the funds via wire, ACH, or check. Wire is $30, ACH is free, check is $10, cashier's check is $30. So we're just going to go ahead and select the check. We are going to leave this portion blank. You do not have to fill this information out because, again, it does not have a red star. We're just going to go ahead and click regular. This section right here regarding the fees, so this is just specifying how you want to pay that $95 asset purchase fee. We can pay it using the cash in the account or a credit card. We're just going to go ahead and click on that one, click next. All right, here is where you'll need to upload the subscription agreement or operating agreement. That's the only agreement that is required. The rest, again, they don't have the red star, so you can leave those blank. So we're just going to go ahead and upload a document here. Now, before you click on Next, again, you have to check that box off here. I have read and approved the attached agreement. So that just means that you've actually read and approved with your signature and date on the agreement. Keep in mind that the signature should not be where the investor or subscriber should sign because we have to sign on behalf of the IRA. So you will not sign on the actual signature line, but rather just in the blank space in the bottom corner of the signature page, along with read and approved and the date. Then click Next. All right, now here are just the acknowledgements. So you just want to go ahead and check mark these boxes. After that, just click Submit. There we go. So you submitted it. At this point, we sent a link to the investment manager for them to electronically sign, and it's through HelloSign. So they will receive an email with the link, and then they'll be prompted to sign in a specific area. They'll go ahead and sign. And then we'll receive that confirmation. And then at that point, we'll release the funds. And that's how you submit an investment online.